Hi.
What's your name?
Manu.
You from Haiti?
Yes.
Ça passe.
Ça qu'a fait.
Do ça passe.
Ça passé.
Le monde do ça passe sorti.
Ça veut me dire. N'a boule. Ça
Ba boule pas gen di fait là.
Oh, ba gen tout.
Sim do tim solve the chéri.
Bois cherche.
Demon game on. You ain't know about that.
Nah, I didn't hear that one. Oh my God. Why
Yeah.
you do this to me?
For real though. Demon game on. Ça veut dire.
M'a jamais entendu ça.
I guess you're 75% Haitian, man. She don't know nothing about that. You ain't from Haiti, baby. You don't know that money, man.
Last weekend.
For real?
Yes.
Qui président Haïti aille? Qui Jean lié? Qui Jean relé président Haïti kounya? Qui Jean président? Yeah, qui Jean lié? Pas mal?
M'a connaître c'est bon Dieu. Ça veut me dire là.
Well, I was trying to give her 100, but she still fell.
I fell.
Yeah. What's her name, girl?
Hi,
What's your name?
Stacy.
Stacey, where you from?
Haiti, of course.
Haiti.
Oh, pas de créole. Oh, Haïti.
Haïti sorti? Maman de trois questions de Haïti, si vous pouvez répondre.
Qui s'allie?
L'aime de tim sorti.
Bois cherche.
Si nous bois chez sorti.
Oh, ma connaisse là.
Bois avec. What comme ça? Hey, c'est on connaît gon go flare dans drapeau non ça lié qui un go flare ça relé.
Peace, la peace.
Qui est créole non t'a parlé là? Qui en relé?
Quand so jeune non même bli la peace. La paix.
N'a oublié ça. Qui est président non relé Haïti kounya?
Oh, Breval.
Qui tout non?
Comment?
Qui tout non?
Breval. Ma so jeune.
Pas changer. 25% Haitian. 25%. She only had just one little Haitian tag. She ain't represent. She talking about she from Haiti. You know what I'm saying? She don't know about Haiti. We was born in Haiti.
Yes.
All
of
right.
course, I represent the Haitian.
Well, you gotta watch the TV, man. Tell LockeyeTV.com. She ain't real Haitian for her. She just claims she Haitian. What's going on? What's your name?
My name is Lujada.
Lil Jada, where you from? Haiti?
I'm from Haiti. I was born in Haiti.
Yeah. All right, Lil Jada, we got 3 questions to ask you about Haiti. See if you know it. Right, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Sim do kase tiba nan zoe, sa vle di?
I don't know.
You're not from Haiti, aren't you?
Oh, I'm from Haiti, but back on him, back on Sudikatibo, back on Sableti.
Ok, bon don lot. Ki koule drapo nou an vante bleu rouge?
Noir et rouge.
You know this one, huh?
Yeah, I know that one.
Mwen lot pou, right? Sim do, sa maki an ba drapo nou, sa soka dim?
L'union fait la force.
Well, Jada, she got 2 of them right. I'm gonna give her 75%. Boom. What's your name, baby?
Tanya.
Tanya, where you from?
I'm from Pétionville.
She from Pétionville. Qui on est Tanya?
Tanya.
Tanya, maman de 3 petites questions de Haïti qu'on y a là. Est-ce que vous pouvez répondre?
Ok.
Sim do creek soldim.
Crack.
Tim.
Bois cherche.
Qui couleur de drapeau noir avant de changer le bleu rouge? Qui couleur?
C'est bleu et noir.
Bleu et noir.
C'est noir.
Ooh, what's going on? Got some pretty Haitian ladies over here. What's going on? What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
Janie, where you from? Haiti?
Yeah, I'm from Haiti.
Yeah. Malo, si mando 3 questions de Haïti, vous pouvez répondre moi?
Ok.
Tim.
Bois cherche.
Yeah. Maman non ti lot. Nan drapeau non, right? Gon go flare la dan ki jan rele.
Bleu rouge. Ah, bleu.
Un drapeau là, oui?
J'ai échappé mémoire.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna ask the last one to see if she got it right, and she is 100% Haitian, just like she said she is. À combien wash yo limite di fait Haïti?
6. Par contre, je me dis
À 6 wash.
sorry.
À qui ça qu'on limite di fait?
Je me dis avec allumette.
She ain't Haitian for real, man. She just over here having fun, just like the other ones outside. Yeah, you Haiti?
I'm Haitian for sure.
Haiti, right?
I'm Haiti.
Maman, toi ba de Haiti pour moi sou konnen. Tim solve dem chéri.
Bois shesh.
Bois?
Shesh. Is that right?
Sim do bois avec solve dem.
That one I don't know. Tell me for next time.
Bois cherche encore, bois avec, bois cherche.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
A combien wash yo limit di Haiti?
I come here wash what?
Yo limit di Haiti.
I come here wash it takes to light the fire.
Yeah.
Right answer? Back on
You
it.
just graduated today.
Hey, we're fat New York, okay? Give me a break. But I represent Haitian to the fullest. I'm Haitian.
Ki president nou Haiti konya? Bon mwen stil konnen. Ki president nou gen Haiti konya? Ken rele?
Obviously, just kidding. Cueval.
She thinks she got jokes. Yo. Cause you didn't answer the question right though, man. I'm gonna give you another. I'll give you something, sweetie.
Thank you.
But I have to ask you another one.
Ask me another one.
What's the name of the TV station you're watching right now?
Tele Lakai.
You got it right. Till the Lakai TV that come. We got the Miss Haiti over here, all pretty and all. We don't need to call that fashion police on her, cause she know how to dress.
Say New York, I'm sorry, it's not my fault.
Kwa question de Haiti pou mwen sou konnen.
Ok.
Premier m'abdou Tim. Ça dit.
Bois chèche.
Demon game one, ça vle di.
Mba kon sa.
Nan mi tan drapo nan, gen ti ekriti la dan sal make.
L'union fait la force.
Your boy here, he just got two of them answer. And he's proud, he's smiling and all. Look at him. He blushing. How y'all doing?
Fine.
What's your name?
Wendy.
From Haiti?
Yeah.
You from Haiti?
Of course, represent 100% Haitian.
Fon ti pale kreol mwen?
I'm pas parler créole, mon cher.
E ou men?
On va l'école bien.
An mwen nou, de ti bagay de Haiti pou mwen sou konnen. Sim do Tim, sol dim.
Bois shesh.
Sim do Creek, sol dim.
Crack.
I guess they know it, huh? Hold up. I got another one for you. A combien wash yo monte di fe Haiti?
Toi wash.
She is Haitian. She got that right. We're gonna give her a city just for that. She got it right. C'est la vie TV. You feel me? Hey, baby, you got it right? What TV you watching right now?
Tele Lakai.
Vrai haïtien, créole parle créole comprendre. You already know. Yo, l'on regarde nous on 100% haïtien. Ou tous sont vrais patriotes, on peut pas même 20% haïtien. Sou pas qu'on a rien de culture, pas qu'on a rien de pays ou pas un vrai haïtien. Yon vrai haïtien, contre ça veut dire, l'on monde dit. Oh oh.